Wow, lumabas na yan. Cute.
Red banded is a green winged macaw, also known as a red and green macaw.
Ocean Park.
These birds are widespread in Bolivia, Peru, Brazil, and Paraguay. Okay, so these birds are also known as the gentle giants of the parrot family. That is because they are the second largest parrot next to the hyacinth macaw. Let's go, Bandit. Okay, let's go, Bandit. And these birds typically feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. Okay, let's go, Bandit. Raise the flag for us.
Wow.
Alright, there you go, folks. Our show is officially started. Let's give a round of applause for flag racing bird, Bandit.
Flag racing.
Hello, everyone. Alright, mayang hapon sa tanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's Amphitheater. By the way, my name is Alfie and I'll be your host for this show. Now for our next featured birds, they are just like any married couples. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. The romantic is in it, but as any couples will attest, in a relationship, there will always be battles. Now let's meet our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw, blue and azul. And today, they'll battle it over in who's the best in a basketball game. Okay, before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now for the boys that cheer for blue, come on boys, say, go blue, go blue. Go blue. Alright, now for the girls that cheer for azul, come on girls, say, go azul, go azul. Go azul. Okay, so are you guys ready for the basketball game?
Yay! We are ready.
Where energy, are you guys ready? There you go. Ready?
Are you ready?
Go! You guys achieve that. Blue is over there. Same one, first ball for both birds. Second ball for azul. Second ball for blue. And here comes blue. Baited. That's alright, Azul. Okay, so I think Azul and the girls deserves another race. Okay, let's do the ring race. So the mechanics of this game is that the first bird who can drop all the 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. That's a ring race. Okay, so trainers, birds ready? Ready, set, go! Come on guys, let's cheer for Azul to win this time. Here comes blue for the first ring. Hey, what is this? Azul's picking up all the 3 rings. At the same time, what a clever play by the girls. Let's give a round of applause for a beautiful pair of blue and azul. Okay, now at this point, we would like to show you Blue's amazing flying ability. So everyone, please remain seated. Ready your cameras as Blue will fly above your heads.
Yan. Dadaan niya dito sa ano,
Yes,
sa
you know, I've noticed mostly of the birds in the show are parrots.
doon.
Parrots are highly intelligent, colorful, charismatic, and physically inclined. They have very good memories and they can remember even the smallest. They have this well-developed brains just like ours. They are capable of complex cognition. So guys, parrots are social beings. They love to be together with their partners, fly together in flocks, and here in captivity they get imprinted with their trainers. Right, nice glide, Blue. By the way guys, Blue is the blue and gold macaw. These birds are widespread in the forests and open woodlands of northern to central South America. And these birds typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. They also love corn.
Hey!
There you go, that's right, Blue. Magnificent, right? Let's give it up for our flying macaw. Okay guys, now at this point, I'll be needing an adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Okay, again, I need an adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Anyone? Just raise your hand.
the 20 minutes.
Oh, wala ka.
Yes? Anyone? Just raise your hand. Let's go out, guys. Sorry, kids. I need an adult volunteer for this one. Adult lang. Yes, ma'am. You want? Barang ka, ma'am. Come here and join us in front. Right, ma'am. Great. Hi, ma'am. Yapon. Okay, I'll get your money bill, ma'am, ha? Please stand right here, ma'am. Let's face towards the table. Let's face the table. Extend your left arm sideways, like this. Okay, I'll put the money bill between your fingers. Alright, ma'am. Do you have any idea what's gonna happen next?
Kukunin niya ng anong ipon.
No idea? Hala ka. Alright, now let's call in our money bird, Blue. And Blue flies over. Fix the money. What will you do with the money, Blue?
Give me, here.
There you go. Blue flies back on the table and Blue wants to. There you go. Donated the money. Let's give her applause for our donor. Ma'am, are you okay with your 20 peso bill? Are you okay with that? Are you sure? Maragawa lagi kay ka, ma'am. Okay, gumarang ng 20. How about the second round, ma'am? 500 peso bill naman, ma'am. Wala na. Ma'am, excuse me, we're just kidding. We will return your money back, but for that, Blue wants to have a photo with you for souvenir, right? Can I have a phone, ma'am?
Uy, sayang yung quit mo. One more. One more. I'll give 100.
Okay, face the camera and
I'll give
smile
100. One more.
together with Blue. Alright, we're good. Thank you so much, Blue. Here's your phone, ma'am, and here's your money bag. Let's give her an applause for our volunteer. Once again, our money bird, Blue. Okay, now at this moment, we would like to show you guys our 3 different types of parrots here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have our green wing macaw bandit, our Eclectus Parrot red, and our blue and gold macaw Goldie. And you will meet them up close and personal. Also, you will know more about these lovely birds. Okay, just stay in your seat, guys, ha? Kami rin mo sorry ninyo diha. Introduce na mo among mga birds. Okay, let's wait for them.
Wow. Baka lalapit yan dito.
Okay, on your right, that's bandit. And with me here is red. And Jenner path is Goldie. Okay, first up on your right, that's bandit, and he is a green wing macaw. As you can see, his body is covered with mostly red plumage. His wing and tail feathers are blue and green. That macaw has a white naked face striped with small red feathers. The scientific name of green wing macaw is Arachnoropterus. Say hi to them, bandit. Okay, so on your left, that's Goldie, and she is a gold macaw. Blue and gold macaws is a beautiful shade of blue on their back and a solid shade of yellow on their bellies and inner wings. Their eyes and beaks are solid black.
Nan.
The gold macaw is Ararauna. Hi po na si Goldie, guys. Say hi, Goldie. Shy type lang ganun siya. Hi. Okay, so with me here is a Eclectus Parrot, and her name is Red. Eclectus Parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning there are striking visual differences between the male and the female bird. And you can distinguish their gender by just looking at their feathers. So red right here is a female Eclectus Parrot. That is because of her bright red colored feathers. Whereas of the male, they will appear bright green colored feathers. Again, red is for the female and green is for the male. That is only applicable for Eclectus Parrot family. Now just clarify, guys, bandit and red are two different species of birds. Okay, so scientific name of Eclectus Parrot is Eclectus roratus, and they can live up to 30 years old. Where macaws, bandit, and Goldie, they can live up to 70 years old. Okay, so that's it for 3 types of parrots here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have banded, red, and golden.
Goldie. Ayan. Pagkain, try. Nak. Dapat na try.
Now, parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. Just like kids, they do best when kept engaged and occupied. Now, who knows this game? This is called the shape box puzzle. Do you remember playing this game when we were still kids? Now, let's call in Bandit once again, and he's gonna show us how intelligent he is by putting all the shapes right back to their correct slots. There you go. Take note, guys. Although the shape box puzzle is a learned behavior, this is not possible without Bandit's intelligence, memory, and perception. Again, guys, parrots have very good memories and they can remember even the smallest and slightest details. They use this skill in the wild to find food and find shelter. There you go, intelligent, right? Let's give it up for a greeting from Bandit.
You like it? You like? Did you enjoy? Yes.
Okay, guys, so I have here an object which is a ball that I will hide under one of these 3 silver cups. Okay, so where do you want me to put this ball? On your left, right, or in the middle? Again, which side? Left, right, middle?
Middle!
Okay. There. Now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie. Okay guys, so do you believe that Goldie has the ability to find the hidden object? If it's a yes, let me hear you say, you can do it, Goldie!
You can do it.
Goldie, find the hidden object for us, please. Be Goldie, she's searching, scanning each cup. This is your psychic power. There you go! Let's give a round of applause for psychic bird, Goldie.
Nadinig niya pag middle, alam niya na dito. Talaga?
Okay guys, who here loves math? Sige nag-math. Nagtinapmura yung math. Kasi lang sure dito, bright din sila. But everyone here knows addition, right? We all know addition. Okay, well the next part of our program will leave most people baffled and amazed. Even as trainers, do you think birds can do math? Yes or no? Yes? Okay, so before we proceed, I'll be needing 2 numbers from you guys between 1 to 50. Alright, first number please, 1 to 50. 3, okay. How about a second number, a higher number naman this side? 46, okay. It's 3 plus 46. So we all know the answer, right? But you must not tell the answer yet. Let us see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation for us. But before that, just let me shuffle the numbers first. Alright, so the numbers has been shuffled. Let's call in our mathematical wizard, Snow.
Wow.
Okay, that is Snow, and he is a Mulukat Kakasu's scientific name is Kakatuwa Molossensis, and these birds are endemic to the Seram archipelago of eastern Indonesia. Okay, as you can see guys, Snow has a pinkish white colored feathers. That is why they also call the
Birthday girl.
summer-breasted cockatoos.
Ay, nak.
Just like any other cockatoo species, Mulukat cockatoos are very loud birds and they can mimic almost any sound. Also guys, Mulukat cockatoos are considered as the largest among the white cockatoo species. Okay. And our PJ, please let Snow analyze the equation. Okay, nagunhon na pa? Utok ba? Utok ka na. Okay, Snow, ready na? Okay, Snow, solve the equation for us, please.
picture.
Okay, he picks number 9.
Wow.
Okay, Snow, complete your answer. Sakto bagid ka kanino?
Picture.
Let's go, Snow. Okay, ganoon na pa si Snow, guys. Alam magsaba, mag-answer agad na. Salig lang mo sa mong bird.
Magtarong.
Oh, are you sure about that, Snow? One more try, one more try. Sure, yes, Snow. It's 3 plus 46. There you go. The answer is correctly. Let's give a round of applause for mathematical wizard, Snow.
Sure niya, Snow. Mag-sure, Snow.
Galing!
Talented.
Mas bright pa naman.
Grabe ka, Brian, sa mga birds nila, no? Gusto mo makabaw sa ilang sekreto? Gusto mo makabaw? Good job, anak. Gabi, mag-answer na sila. Okay. So the next birds that we're gonna show you guys, they are very different from our colorful, lovely, and intelligent parrots. They're called the birds of prey, also known as raptors. Raptor came from the Latin word rapiere, meaning to seize or take by force. And these birds are characterized by their excellent flying ability, and they have this keen vision. Also, these birds hunt using their powerful talons and beaks. So around the world, there are 446 species of raptors. And here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 2 types of raptors. We have a Brahminic and a Philippine Serpent Eagle. Okay, first off, let's go in our Brahminic kingdom.
Oh, ayun o, ayun.
Brahminic scientifically known as Haliastoritus. They are widespread all over the Southeast Asia, and they can be found in Bangladesh, Pakistan, and along China. They are called as redback sea eagles in Australia. Also, guys, they can be found here in the Philippines, and they are locally known as lawin or banog in the Visayas regions. As you can see, Brahminikites have a petite, and they have this delicate body, and it's said to prey on smaller animals such as insects and fish. Alright, there you go. Let's give it up for Brahminicite kingdom.
Galing.
Okay, kung medyo familiar niya itong Brahminicite, guys, no? Kung masayo, paano siya ang logo ni Kuya Kim sa Matang Malawi. Also, paano siya gitawag ng banog sa Kabisayaan. Kaya di ko ang mga piso sa inyong mga bukid, na sila. Also, guys, in the world of birds of prey, female eagles are usually larger than the males. That is because they're better positioned in nesting and rearing behavior. Okay, up next for birds of prey, let's call in our Philippine Serpent Eagle. Ready? Philippine Serpent Eagles, typically known as Pilornis holospilus. They can easily be distinguished by the other eagle species through their well-defined white spots around their body. They also have a naked yellow face and naked yellow feet.
Whoa!
Eagles have heavier and they have this sharper
Dadaan sa ano, sa ulong.
animals such as rodents, other birds, and snakes. That is why they're also called a serpent eagle, because in the wild, they feed on snakes and other
Oh!
There you go, that's it for Philippine Serpent Eagle. Ready? By the way, guys, if you may notice, our trainers are using the blocks. It is called the poultry gauntlets. It is to protect our skin from their sharp talons and beaks. Also, guys, both our birds of prey, Kingdom and Freddy, are rescued animals, meaning they were donated by the DENR. Okay, so up next for our flying birds, let's call in our homing pigeons.
Wow!
Right, homing pigeons has a innate homing ability,
Ayun, ang dami
meaning they
doon,
can go
oh.
back to their nest and mate. They also have a special sense called the magnetic reception, where they can
pati
detect
yan?
the Earth's magnetic layers, perceive direction, altitude, and location. Okay, so let's give it up for raptors and homing pigeons.
Wow!
Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We're not only trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also to those who land there as well. Now we follow the 3 R's. It is the reduce, reuse, and
Recycle.
recycle. Alright, now let's call in our lovely parents once again. And they're gonna show us how to do the proper waste disposal by following the 3 R's. It
Wow!
helps keep our environment clean and fresh, save the earth from global warming, and reduces environmental pollution. Well, sad to say, guys, that a lot of animals are struggling their lives right now due to pollution caused by improper waste management.
No.
Please, let's help save one of the greatest creation of God and a gift of Mother Nature. See, if Bandit can do it, then why can't we?
I can
Ladies and gentlemen, we hope that you enjoyed our show. Now, are the birds spectacular?
Yeah.
Well, in our own ways, no matter how small the effort we take, let's take action in saving them from extinction. And please, let's do our part in saving this wonderful world, because remember, this is the only home that we've got. Now, let me represent to you the animals and trainers that made the show possible. We have BJ with Goldie, we have trainer Ken with our Green Wing Mapapa Bandit, and along with the other stops here in Cebu Ocean Park. Again, my name is Alpi, your host. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and goodbye. Say goodbye, Bandit. Bye, everyone. Please keep safe. Bye. By the way, guys, for those of you who just came in, our last bird show schedule will be at 4:30 p.m. Again, for those of you who just came in, our last bird show schedule will be at 4:30 p.m. See you.